Welcome back to MVP Auto 08, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into a performance powerhouse that blends luxury, technology, and sheer brute force, the 2025 BMW X5 M. This SUV doesn't just redefine what it means to be fast, it proves that practicality and performance can coexist in perfect harmony. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 X5 M receives a refreshed look this year, featuring sharper lines, a more pronounced kidney grille, and aerodynamic enhancements. BMW's laser headlights, with their signature blue accents, give the SUV a futuristic yet intimidating presence on the road. The redesigned front bumper incorporates larger air intakes to cool the monstrous engine hiding beneath the hood, while the rear sports a quad exhaust setup and a subtle roof spoiler, emphasizing its sporty nature. The standard 21-inch alloy wheels are beautifully sculpted, but for those looking to make an even bolder statement, 22-inch wheels are available as an option. The X5 M also comes in an array of stunning colors, including Marina Bay Blue Metallic and Frozen Black, ensuring you'll stand out wherever you go. But what really makes the X5 M a beast is what's under the hood. The 2025 model is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now equipped with mild hybrid technology for enhanced efficiency. It pumps out an earth-shattering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, allowing this SUV to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, an SUV that can leave many sports cars in its dust. Power is sent to all four wheels via BM's xDrive system, which delivers exceptional grip and stability, no matter the road conditions. The 8-speed M Steptronic transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while the standard M Sport differential sharpens cornering performance by distributing torque between the rear wheels. Whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising down the highway, the X5 M remains a joy to drive. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury with a sporty edge. Premium materials like merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create an upscale atmosphere, while the M-specific details, such as illuminated badging and contrast stitching, remind you that this isn't just any SUV. The 2025 X5 M features BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, housed within a massive curved display that seamlessly integrates the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the 14.9-inch touchscreen. The system is intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands through the updated BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. And for audiophiles, the available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system delivers a concert-like experience on the go. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed either. The X5 M offers spacious seating for 5, with ample legroom and headroom in both rows. The rear seats fold flat, opening up a generous cargo area of 72.3 cubic feet, perfect for road trips or weekend adventures. And let's not forget the hands-free tailgate, which makes loading and unloading a breeze. While the X5 M is designed for speed, it doesn't shy away from tackling rough terrain. With adjustable air suspension, off-road drive modes, and 8.3 inches of ground clearance, this SUV is more than capable of handling dirt trails and uneven roads. However, let's be honest, the X5 M is most at home on smooth pavement, where it can truly unleash its full potential. Safety is another area where the 2025 X5 M shines. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and front and rear collision mitigation. For added convenience, the available driving assistance professional package includes hands-free highway driving capability, making long journeys less tiring. BMW has also paid attention to the finer details. The ambient lighting system offers a customizable palette of colors, setting the perfect mood for nighttime drives. And for those colder days, the heated seats, steering wheel, and armrests ensure you stay warm and comfortable. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 BMW X5 M starts at around $123,000, which positions it as a premium offering in the high-performance SUV segment. With all the available options, the price can climb north of $140,000. Yes, it's a hefty sum, but for what you get, a blend of luxury, technology, and unrivaled performance, it's worth every penny. The 2025 BMW X5 M isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. It's for those who demand thrilling performance without sacrificing comfort or practicality. Whether you're tackling your daily commute, hitting the track, or embarking on a weekend getaway, the X5 M proves that you really can have it all. So, what do you think of the 2025 BMW X5 M? Is it the ultimate performance SUV, or would you choose one of its rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 or the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto 08 for more reviews on the hottest cars of the year. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.